Hi everyone, this is Gina. Today I'm going to introduce you to foam rolling. There are many great benefits of using a foam roller, from tension and pressure release, pain relief, working the fascia and releasing the muscles, self-massage. And I personally was introduced to foam rolling when I was going through physical therapy for an injury in my hip and lower back and knee. There's a lot of different types of foam rollers. I'm using a smooth surface flat foam roller. There are different types that have textures or knobs to it that might be a little gentler. It's always good to consult your physical therapist or doctor to make sure this is the proper type of stretch for you. If you have a disc injury, you want to be very careful of how much pressure or how you work the discs in the spine. You never want to roll directly onto the joints, so I will of course focus on safety in alignment and give you different options and modifications. So working the fascia is like spaghetti-like fibrous materials that wrap around the muscles. We've been working so hard at strengthening our muscles, strengthening our body, and it's good to release that compression, that tension as we build up those muscles. It's good to do after a strenuous workout or in between. A lot of athletes do this after their marathons for recovery. So there are a lot of great benefits of myofascial release through foam rolling.